Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having problems with the tile database's corrupt error on your Windows 10 computer. So this would typically be associated with taskbar and Cortana problems. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu by just left clicking on it one time. And in the start menu you want to type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt right above desktop app. You want to right click on it, left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on yes. And now in this Elevate command line window, you want to type in chk dsk space /f. So again, chk dsk space /f. Then you want to hit enter. This should begin running a check to scan. You're going to have to actually restart your computer once you get prompted for it. And there's going to be another scan that I also want you guys to run, so just hang tight for a moment. So you might get a prompt saying check this can't run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Left click on the Y key on your keyboard, hit enter. It should get back to you that this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. So at this point, I would suggest restarting your computer, let the check this scan run. It should hopefully be able to resolve the problem. Now, if you're still experiencing problems, there's another thing we can try, and that would be to open up the start menu again. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt right above desktop app. You want to right click on it, left click on run as administrator. If you're prompted with a user account control window, left click on yes. Now in the Elevate command prompt, you want to type in SFC space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word. So again, SFC space /scan now. And then once you have it as it appears on my screen, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. Should begin running a system scan, and this will take some time to run, so please be patient. And I will go ahead and let this run, and hopefully this should resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.